Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to grab our watch, flip it around, and on the back of our watch you will see that on each strap you have this button, right here and right here. And to release the strap, you simply press on one of these buttons, and then you should be able to pull out the strap. Quite simple, like this. And how this mechanism works is also quite simple. You basically have two pins on each side of the strap, or rather one pin on each side of the strap, my bad. And these pins are locked in the holes on the watch, like this. And when you press the button, it basically retracts the pins. And once it retracts them, you're able to pull out the strap out of your watch. Quite simple. Okay, so to put the back on, so let's say you have new strap and you want to put them on, you simply grab the strap, you press on the button, you align the strap with the holes and release the button. And once they click into a hole, come on, like this, it will hold. So you just need to press it and aim for the holes on the watch. And once you align the strap, you can simply release the button and it will lock in. Quite simple, and I put them wrong, so give me a second. Okay, this one needs to be at the top of the watch and this one needs to be at the bottom of the watch, like this. And now it's correct way. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.